As you say, I made a beautiful social media UI. Now I add a navigation bar in it. For this, first select the rectangular tool and draw a rectangular. Okay, uncheck the border and fill it with this color. That looks pretty. Now I will add some icon here. I will use the icon for design plugin. I will add home icon. I think that looks great. Okay, make this color white. Then I will add search icon. Again, make this color white. Then I add a notification icon. Make this color white. Now I will add message icon. For the message icon, I will use this source. Type message in here and you will find it. Okay, fill it with white color. Now I add some text. Okay. "23 is perfect." Okay. Now press the Alt and drag it. Type search. Again press the Alt and drag it. Type notification. Again press Alt and drag. Type message. Okay. Now hide the search text, notification text and message text. Okay. Now select this home icon and text home and make a group, rename it home. Then select the search icon and the text search, make a group, name it search. Then select the notification icon and text, make a group, name it notification. Okay, at last select the message icon and text message, make a group by pressing Ctrl and G, rename it message. Okay. Now I add another rectangle. Around the edge. select opacity for 25% and drag this rectangular under the home group. Now adjust the rectangle. Okay, that's fine. Now select all these items and make a component. This is our default state. Now add a new state for search. Now select the rectangle. Make the home text opacity 0. Make this opacity 100% and select the search icon. Okay, looks perfect. This is our search state. Now add another state for notification. In this state, hide the search text. Make the text notification opacity 100 and bring it here. Make the rectangle a little larger. I think that looks perfect. Then add another state for message. Hide this notification text. Okay. Make the message text opacity 100%. Little. Okay, that's perfect. So I have a 4 state: default state, search state, notification state, and message state. So select the default states and go to the prototype section. Then select the search icon. Just select the search icon, press here, trigger tab, type auto animate, choose the search state, is in out 0.6 second. Okay, then select the notification icon again, select the destination notification, then select the message icon, select the state message. That's great. If we run this time, that looks pretty, isn't it? Okay, now select the search state, and home icon. Select the state, default state, then notification icon. Select the state notification, then message icon. Select the state message. Okay, then for notification icon, notification state, select the home icon, default state, search icon, search state, message icon, message state. At last select the message state, then select the home icon, choose destination default state, search icon, choose destination search, notification icon, select notification. Okay, and go to the default state and I can run it. Okay, search, notification, message. Oh, that looks great, isn't it? If you love this video, do make subscribe.